Well, Gregory Osborne here today. Today, I've got something highly valuable, highly beneficial for serious, motivated entrepreneurs. Let's make a serious income starting today, but only if you're a serious, highly motivated entrepreneur. And the reason I say only is because I know, as well as you know, that only serious people actually put in the work necessary to make any income online. But to make a serious income online, you've got to be a serious, highly motivated person, a highly motivated entrepreneur. So what I'm offering you today, I work myself, I participate in myself, and everything that I ever offer, I participate in, and I thoroughly test to ensure that it worked for myself as well as for those who I present it to. That's what I believe in doing, is being an honest, reliable marketing partner to all those who join my circle or my network. The program I'm offering today has already generated $2.7 million in sales. And it's been doing so for years and years. So what does that tell you? That it works, that it's not going anywhere, that it's been around and been proven by serious motivated entrepreneurs. So what I want you to do today is scroll on down, fill in my opt-in box. Let's not waste each other's time with any fake emails, none of that nonsense. Pay attention to this scarcity timer. No, this timer will not hit zero and you'll never ever see this timer again on this page. But what it does represent is that I have some bonuses that I'm offering until this clock hits zero. And the bonuses that I'm offering are also highly valuable and highly beneficial to serious entrepreneurs. So once again, y'all, Gregory Osborne here. Serious income for highly motivated entrepreneurs only. Come on in, see what I have to offer you today. You know me, you trust me, I hope. If you don't know me and you don't trust me, what do you have to lose by getting to know me? Seeing if I'm an honest entrepreneur or marketer. Come on down, put in your information, let's get connected, and let's help each other make some of that serious online income. Gregory Osborne here, I'll see you on the inside. Looking forward to it. Don't procrastinate, don't hesitate, because procrastination kills all dreams and also destroys all hope. Don't be one of those. See you on the inside.